I'm going to show you how to transform your objects, which is helpful not just in drawing, but you will be using it to animate your shapes later on. So I drew a circle and a square with the object drawing mode off. Okay, so nothing selected. I'm going to click on the black arrow tool, and then as I mouse over, see, I'm just moving the mouse over the oval. Oops, I'm still on the rectangle. I'm moving the mouse over this oval with the black arrow tool selected, and when I get to the right spot, there is a little arc, a little curved line right next to the arrow tool. So when I see that, I'm clicking down with my mouse and dragging. Okay, so I mouse over, wait till I see the little arc line next to the black arrow, click down and drag. Now this square is a little bit different because this is a corner. So when you mouse around it, you see a curve, a curve, a curve, a curve, and then you see a little corner. So when you click down on a corner and pull that one out, it pulls it out as an angle, right? Because you're pulling out a corner, and that little corner tells you exactly what it's doing. When you're in the middle of this line, you can pull it out as a curve as well. So you can transform a lot of your objects. Okay, so I want to delete this. So what I do is I double click it, the whole thing's selected, and then I just click delete on my keyboard and it's gone. And now I'm going to take this one, double click to select all of it, and I'm just going to move it down. So this transform tool here, you have to select the object with this free transform tool similar to the black arrow tool. So you have to click twice. Oops, I don't know what that was. You have to click twice to select all of it, and then you're in this wonderful free transform tool where you can rotate, you can skew, and you can scale. So if you scale it, you can scale it horizontally, you can scale it vertically, and if you want to constrain the proportions, you hold the shift key down on your keyboard and that keeps the X and Y axis the same. Okay, so that is another way to transform.